If you want to show SIM contacts on a Motorola Signature, you can, for example, go to the Contacts app that you can find in the app drawer. So just like that. Now in here, if you go to Contacts, there is a chance that you can tap on all contacts in here. And if your SIM has saved contacts, you should be able to select your SIM from this list over here. And in case you don't have your SIM on this list, in case you cannot actually choose it, then in that case, you want to go to Organize, and you will have to import your SIM contacts. So we can go to Manage SIM over here, select your SIM from which you want to get your contacts. You can also choose where you want to save those contacts. So let's say I'm going to choose device only. Now in here, as you can see, we have all the SIM contacts, and we can import them. There we go. And now we should be able to find our imported SIM contacts. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.